So the battery in the skid steer, I think, is dying. Oh man. But I've had it on this trickle charger here, and it shows green. So I think I'm good to go there. But I had some ditches going here to help drain the water, and they didn't really help. So this is one of the ditches that I forgot to cover up or fill in. And it is a hazard, for sure. So I got out here with the excavator and tried to fill it in, but the excavator was just sinking in the mud. And yeah, this is just a job for the skid steer, so need this working today. Take that pile of dirt, put it in here, good to go. See if there's any other dangerous spots around there, fill those holes, and then got to work on this fence. Deer are going nuts with this fence right now. Oh my gosh. So alright, well, this thing says green, but I am just gonna hook it up to this charger anyways to give it an extra boost, because I just really want this thing to start. Engine start. Dang, dude. This is no good.
One of the Paw Patrol levers that was purple and round and big.
You gotta use,
So what color is this?
this is gray.
Yeah. Then tell her what color this hose is.
Masha, what color is this hose? What color is this hose? So the skid steer is
Dead.
I'm gonna try to find some jumper cables and try to jump it from the truck to see if that might work.
Weren't you supposed to get batteries for it?
Yeah, well, I don't have them. Your pockets? Where are your pockets? Right here?
Here.
Are you putting rocks in your pockets? So this is, man, this doesn't sound like a good idea, but I have some starter fluid here. It's gas and diesel starter fluid, and I'm gonna take this filter off and just give it a little bit of a spray.
As I'm starting?
Once I spray it in there is when you're gonna give it a turn.
Okay.
And see if it starts.
Okay.
Okay, go ahead. Oh boy. Just a second. Go for it. Okay, turn it over. All right, nice job. Good golly.
Eleanor.
There's Eleanor. Okay, ready? We're gonna go drop this tiller off. Whoa.
Whoa.
What's it say? Unexpected motor speed detected. Drive speed is limited until fault is corrected. Well, we got a warning. Alright, so I don't know if you can see that, but we got left drive motor, right drive motor. They're at the same RPM here, but if I try to move the skid steer at all, I get unexpected motor speed, detection disabled, drive speed is limited until fault is corrected. In any case, I can still move this thing, so I'm just gonna push through it for now.
You know, sometimes when people build little houses and little roofs and little buildings, they call it fairy houses.
I'm building a little fairy house.
Nice. Well, I'm gonna get started out here.
Okay.
Now we have good temperatures, and I think I'm going to try to shut it off and turn it back on again, because that code should clear. But also the clamshell isn't working, so that's kind of a problem. Let's see. Running good. Everything's good. Security lockout system, no. Fuel filter. 8-volt DC supply. What is that? 8-volt DC supply voltage below normal. What does that mean? Could that be why we're not starting? Ready? Yeah, that. Alright. Problem for a different day. Yeah, so I really didn't want to go too far in here because I was sinking, and I was sinking fast. Especially over there. It's not pretty, but I also got all those, that whole area over there is pretty much good too. Starting to rain. There's not really much you can do about this, but this was like a 4-foot, 3-foot trench here. So this is definitely not the safety hazard that it once was. Now we get to work on the fence. Yeah, I'm not that person that just leaves dirt, mud to get all hard so that it won't come off later. So I'm gonna get that off there. This is a lot easier with 2 hands.
Caps, raps, yeah. Your body, woo. Phantom on the word. Screaming how we scramble. No interruption. All styles of concrete. Yeah, what? Representing Galway. Now tell 'em. Captivated, evacuated, escalated, stop. What? Yeah, what? Clap, clap. Yeah. Better be the best.
All right, well, this fence is way better than it was this morning. I put about 8 more T-posts in, and we did a top wire here. This back here is a problem with the deer. It's like a highway back here for them. So yeah, tons more zip ties and these little streamers here, so that hopefully the deer sees the fence and avoids it. We'll see. Okay, we're gonna get some batteries for the excavator and the skid steer. It's red. Yeah.
We don't have 2 cents. Just run it.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, come on in here. Look at all these tractors, Eleanor. Which one do you like? Which one's your favorite?
This one, that's
You like the logging one?
the excavator.
That's a forest machine.
But it is a forest excavator.
What we got here is a bunch of equipment that is not working, and we need that equipment working to do a bunch of stuff around here. The skid steer is dead battery, excavator, dead battery, but I have what I need now to basically get everything back on track here, so just gotta put it all together. But the weather out here is just rainy and cold, so we have some batteries here, and I have some battery tenders. Not really sure which one of these is for which machine yet. All right, well, I got these guys sitting on the charger right now. They are brand new batteries, but yeah, just hooked them up anyways. Get these guys getting a little trickle charge going on while I figure out what the next step is here. 230, boom. What else do we got here? I think this thing needs to be moved out of the way. It's just in the way of, yeah. I got a negative, or sorry, I got a ground here. I have some brackets. Well, if I'm gonna be honest, I think the first thing that I'm gonna do is try to take this metal bracket off and see how loose I can get this battery. I need some wrenches. Okay, we got the extra long extension now. Dang, that's on there tight. Alrighty. It's going. Easy. Oh, why aren't you going on there? Because it's a 13 millimeter. Bingo. Ooh. Ooh. How about a little of this? Pretty crazy. It's like, why won't you just come off? Woohoo! Let's go. Alright. It's free. Except for this, this thing. Or maybe we can just move this thing out of the way. Please. Okay, okay. Okay. Mmm! Oh, ho, ho, ho. Dude, dude, dude. Look at this. It's coming out. It's coming out. Mm. Dude. Oh yeah. Time for a new battery. Let's go. Oh yeah. Sweet. No starty. That is very disappointing. Oh, you know what? Haven't even hooked everything back up. I hope this is it. This has to be for something. Oh, we are good on oil, dude. Let's go. got one down here, and now we got one to go.